Hey, double dev. Congrats. Congrats, congrats. Oh, plant isn't gonna work. Cause I don't have. Okay, plant isn't gonna work anymore. Cause I changed my username. Whoops. Oh well. Yeah, I don't think it, I don't think. Huh. See. Okay, no, that's working. Huh. Okay, okay. Why? Okay. Is YouTube working? Okay, YouTube is working. YouTube is working. Yeah, who dis? Who dis? You like it? You like it? Okay, hold on. Let me update. Last was sending and then doppel dev. Yeah. Yeah. I know. It took a while to figure out, and then Bunny Bites without the spaces taken on Instagram. So then I was like, okay, well, I don't wanna have Bunny Bites without or like different from Instagram and Twitch and yeah. Hey, Misty. Okay. How are you? Okay. I know, guys. I know. New username. Okay. Let's see. Multi-streams. Yeah, I'm on YouTube as well streaming. Except It's not working. Yeah, except now the plant game doesn't work because I think my tokens changed. But I have updated my Git. Oh, I have to, I guess, update my socials on with Streamlabs, but I've updated my Git. I've updated Instagram, YouTube, and Twitch. I plan to. That's on my list. I plan to the coming weeks to work on that. Because there are, I think I'm gonna still be applying to jobs, but I don't think I'm going to be applying to them as much as I was previously. Like it got really, really tiring writing, and I wasn't rewriting the cover letter each time, but I was still like kind of updating it to mention the company and mention the role and like kind of add in something that, and it was taking a lot of energy. And with baby not sleeping very well right now, yeah, she's not sleeping very well. So maybe we'll get an hour, hour and a half, maybe. But yeah, but yeah, I will be working on that. I just want to get my what do you call it? My I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Okay, so why can I not run this? Minesweeper. Did I mean get move? Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to go over. I don't know why this isn't working. It's in the directory. Okay, anyways. I have no idea what's happening. I don't know what's happening either. I don't know what's happening either. Okay, so we're going to place the mines and we're going to add it to the set. So we're going to do self.mines equal actually. Okay, so we are going to 10, and then we're going to do self.placed mines equals set. I think that's how. Yeah, so that wasn't working. So I tried that earlier. Hi. Minesweeper. Yeah, it's not showing up right now. For whatever reason, this isn't showing up in the folder. Yeah, so it's not showing up in the folder, so I don't really get what's going on. Don't use Python on Windows. Wait, what? Okay, so I tried that too. It's telling me that it's not in the file, or it's not in the directory, but it is. I'm literally looking at it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. F2. So we'll fix this as well. Minesweeper. Wow. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. I didn't use underscore. I could. I was trying, but apparently I spelled Minesweeper as Minsweeper, so. I know, I know. Also, hi, Bets. How are you? How are you? Okay, okay, guys. So, we did for the string. Basically, I removed all of the punctuation and then I translated it to a list. No, what did I do here? What did I do here? Okay. Okay, 3, 4. X. Okay, and then so how is that different? I don't think I need that. Anyways. I know. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Allison Santos. Yeah, I know. I rebranded. I rebranded. Crazy, right? Thanks so much for the follow, MF Yoshimitsu. Thanks so much for the lurk. I think my Cloudbot is also broken because oh no, Streamlabs is working, but lurk apparently is not. That's okay. That's okay. We'll fix it later. Okay, so I'm just gonna place the mines and then I'm going to yeah, I think that's going to be the main thing today. Okay, so we want 0. Then we want self dot set mines set. Okay, I know I didn't write it out today. I'm tired, guys. Baby has not been sleeping very well. And then she had I dropped her off for school today and then came back, and then it was just like I didn't have the energy to do anything. Anything. Yeah, and I got 4 job rejections on the weekend. I don't understand how I got it on the weekend. Like I was expecting Monday through Friday getting job rejections, but I got 4 over the weekend. Technically 3. Technically 3, and then one company reposted the position that they originally closed, which is really, really funny, guys, because the company that reposted the position is they rescheduled my rejection. Yeah, I know. I know. It's okay. It's okay. But the company that I didn't even hear back from, right? So they're actually they're hiring for a software engineer 1 role, right? It's a junior dev role. Um okay, so the reason I'm using camel case in the methods is because people say that that's like usual practice. Like I used to use snake case for for my methods, but then people said, "Oh, for classes, it should be the capital, like all of them capital. For variables, right? But then for methods and functions should be snake case too." See, like I am getting told so many different things, and this is why I shouldn't listen to people and I should just Okay, wait, methods and functions is also snake case, right? So variables is snake case. I kept it with that, but okay. So yeah, like people were telling me, "Oh, the proper way to write it is camel case for methods and functions." So, okay. Okay, I am more than happy to change back to snake case. That was my reason. See, I'm willing to listen. I'm willing to listen to people. It's just then like I hear so many contradicting things and then I get so confused and But yeah, so the company I didn't hear back from, so they took down the job posting, right? And then they reposted it. But what's really funny is for industry standards in the area that I'm at, they're actually really, really, really low. You know, like I would work for that much just to get the experience, right? I would work for that much, but like they are probably like 40% lower than most of the other companies. Even the non-tech companies are paying like 40% more than what their value is. And they're not basing it off of all of the US. They're basing it off of my area because it's hybrid. You're required to go into the office 3 days a week. Recursion is forbidden. 40% more than $0. Wait, what? High pure sizzle. Josh, no, not new chat rules, but I did rebrand. Did you notice? Did you notice I rebranded? Yeah, I allow links. I think from I forget what it is. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Midnight Ringer. And yes, Rez, I did. Rez1. I did change my name. Okay, hold on. I was just talking about Power of 10 and Power of 2 with one of my friends today. This is useful to have. Thank you. Thank you, Rython. I'm going to keep that. But yeah. Like, seriously, so I'm like very confused as to what they're expecting. So industry average standard where I am, I think is much higher than the rest of the US, right? So like even on the boot camps you say, oh, like take the boot camp, land a $85,000 job, yada yada yada, right? The industry average for Hi, Mr. Surinen. Welcome in. Also, hi, Jimmy. Welcome in. Yeah, so like industry standard for my area, and then there's industry standard for the country, right? So I feel like even for the country, this company, again, not a tech company, is asking, it's like really low. So I don't know what they're expecting. Like they want like 3 to 5 years experience, but I am telling you guys, it's low. It's low. Okay. For 3 to 5 years of experience. And I'm just like, don't even email me back a rejection. You just repost the job. It is in the medical. It's in the medical industry, and it's 60 to 70,000. So I think that as somebody who is learning, I would be willing to work for that. You know, if I can learn and if I can learn from senior. Yeah, um I'm in California. I'm in California. That I'm pretty open about. And if you know where Time Enjoyed lives, then you know that I'm close by her. Right? Okay. So 60 to 70,000 I get is like for Jimmy, I just took the basic the basic math classes through two calculus 2 in college, but no like degree in math. But I really do like math. I really liked chemistry and I really liked math. It will fund baby bunnies school basically. But yeah, like I'm just kind of like, what are they expecting, especially for hybrid and for 3 to 5 years of experience? Like they're not gonna get anybody in that area for that amount. I don't remember calculus, but I do like algebra, so I'm pretty good at algebra, knock on wood. To me, it's like puzzles. It's like figuring out puzzles. But yeah, okay, anyways. So, we are going to rename create board. Okay. We're going to rename all of these. Print board as per Misty, because Misty is Python like basically Misty knows Python. Python queen. So yeah. Get move. This is the This is the column. It tells you what column to put. Yeah. Because my original game did not have that. So then you had to like count. Okay, I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, especially when you have like 50 rows and 100 columns. Yeah, that not gonna work. I'm stealing your idea? What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, so we're going to I think that's how you do a set. Okay, so we're going to define place mines self. Okay, if so basically if placed mines that I'm gonna just make that false. Yeah. Because I don't need to worry about yeah, so basically if placed mines, if not placed mines, or if not self dot placed mines, we're going to okay, hold on. I'm trying to learn Python right now. I'm just doing basic code. Do you have any recommendations? Yo, I'm guessing you would prefer to be called Yoshi. Um, I use the app Mimo. I should really reach out to them because I recommend them a lot. I used the app Mimo when I was first starting out for coding, but I also kind of just dove in and started programming and figuring things out. So I never did like the code academy or I'm the first. Hi, nothing. I never did Code Academy or Free Code Camp or anything like that. But I did take CS50 as well. But yeah, like I can't speak for the tutorials online because that's not the way I learn. I personally do not learn very well when I am told exactly what to do and just type it out. I need to understand. I need to understand why something works the way it works. So like I like to say I'm a kinesthetic learner. So I like to like get in there instead of just reading about it. But if you're somebody who learns by reading and theory, then yes, those tutorials would be really good for you. What number? This is not elite code problem. This is Minesweeper. But yeah, so Mimo, the app is really good. It teaches HTML, JavaScript, SQL as well. I think CSS and Python. So I would recommend that. Mimo, hear that? You should sponsor me. Just kidding. Just kidding. Sort of. Not really, but sort of. I actually wouldn't mind a premium subscription to Mimo because I do honestly think that they were a good app to start learning with. I also heard Cody is really good. as well. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let me... Can you guys actually see? Yeah, you guys can see. Let me figure out how I'm going to place the mines, though, because I don't think I've actually figured that out. How would I place the mines? Placing mines. So basically, I would want to... When placing the mines, so if placing the mines is false, we would want to loop through or loop while number of mines placed is less than... Yeah, and then for me, projects, just building things from projects, like I've already built Minesweeper, but I'm going back and rebuilding it just again to see how I would do it differently now, kind of compare and contrast, but also so I can record my thought process. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not an educational streamer. I'm just chaos and don't know what I'm doing. But how is everyone tonight? How is everyone? I hope everyone is doing well. Muffin! Oh my gosh. How are you? How are you? I see you gaming so much in Discord. How are you though? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thanks so much for the follow, Aeon Knight. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe against a person and tic-tac-toe against the computer. Also Hangman. Yes, I wrote that too. Those were good learning experiences. Rock, paper, scissors. That was also a good, like, just rock, paper, scissors, probably before you get into tic-tac-toe and hangman, just to kind of get used to it. That was a good project as well. And then what else was there? What else was there, guys? I don't remember. Also, my knee really hurts because baby bunny was hanging on my leg today and she's getting big, guys. She's getting big. She's over half of me now. Like, she's almost 2/3 of me, right? Yeah, I think she's almost 2/3 of me now. Oh my gosh, guys. And then, so she's getting heavier too, and she was hanging on my leg, and yeah, I'm pretty sure she pulled something. Okay, so loop while mine's place is less than number of mines per game. Okay, so while number of mines place is less than, and then to place the mines, what we would want to do is we would want to get random chord in range of row and range of columns. So we want to get random coordinate or random number, because it wouldn't be a coordinate until we put it together. We would get a random number in range of rows, range of num rows, and range of num columns. Okay, and then from there we would... Okay, so from there we would get random number and range of num rows and range of num columns. We would if not user first move and not in set, add to set, and then add 1 to num of mines placed. This will be a local variable because we don't need the number of mines placed after we've placed it. We just need to know if the mines have been placed or not, so we would keep the value true, mines placed, or false, mines have not been placed. So I think that should be what we're doing, I think. Okay, so placing mines, we're going to show VS Code again. Okay, so define run game. Why is this? Oh, okay. So hi, Sending. So since I rebranded, the plant game will not work for me. It's because I rebranded. It's because I rebranded. Do you like it? I didn't even get an hour, guys. I didn't even get an hour. Okay, be right back. Baby is awake. That is a very good observation. I don't know how true that is though. Okay. Okay, guys. Streaming. So, I'm gonna just finish this and then end stream. I called it today. Well, actually, no, I was not even right about it. I was like, oh, I'll get maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half. No, I didn't even get 30 minutes. I didn't even get 30 minutes, did I? No, I think, hold on. No, I got 40 minutes, maybe 40 minutes before she woke up. Who is this? Who is this? Yeah, so she's been sleeping pretty rotten recently, and I don't want to stress her too much because there's a lot of changes going on with her schedule. So she's definitely been dealing with more separation anxiety, and it's understandable. So it's kind of like, and I'm very against crying it out. You know, like as soon as she starts to cry, I will go to her because there's gonna be times when she's older and I'm not gonna be able to be there for her, you know? Like, I won't be able to be there for her. And if I can be there for her right now, then why would I put that stress on her of not showing up when, yeah, it's inconvenient to me, it's stressful to me, it makes me feel bad. But if I can make her feel better right now when she needs me, because I won't always be able to make her feel better. You know, like when she gets older and there is a bully or something, um, which I hope she doesn't get bullied. I got bullied. But like, let's say she gets in a fight with her friend. You know, like I won't normally I wouldn't be able to fix it. You know, that's something she would have to figure out. I wouldn't be able to make her feel better by just hugging her like completely. Like I would hope that my hug would make her feel better when she's older, but at the same time, I know it wouldn't fix all of her problems. Like if I can fix all of her problems right now by just being there, then I'm gonna try. How old is she? She is under 3. We're gonna say that. We're gonna say she's under 3, just so I don't give too much information. Yeah. Well, thanks, sending. Thanks. Okay, but I do have to get this done quick because, yeah. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Wilson Tech Talk. I appreciate it. But yeah, so I asked her if I could have. So at first I was like, "Oh, can I just go finish work and I'll come back once you are asleep?" And then she's like, "No." And then she just cried harder. I don't know if you guys heard. Like I had the baby monitor muted, but like she was wailing pretty loud. Um so I told her I would be back in 15 minutes. So I'm trying to finish this before I break my promise to her because I guarantee you she will still stay awake. She will just lay there, and then as soon as I go in, her head will pop up. So, yeah. Okay. So, while we're going to do, how do I do random? How do I do random again? And also, can you see? Yeah. Random in Python. Random range. Okay, so random range. So we have to import random. Thanks so much for the follow. I'm not even gonna oh, Hema XP. For some reason that wasn't showing under Streamlabs notification, but it does show in the activity. Thanks so much for the follow, Hema. I appreciate it. Okay, so we are going to, okay, I did already import random. So mine equals, oh wait, hold on. Oh, that's a string. Oh, that's a string. Uh-oh. Hi, Turing. I do? Hi, Zeote. Yeah, so Adam, I have to update my portfolio and GitHub. So basically my GitHub is Bunny Bites without the underscore now. So it's been, everything has been rebranded. Instagram is bunny underscore bites. YouTube is bunny underscore bites. Everything is the same now. There's no more bunny codes. There's no more ambivalent bunny. Everything is the same except for GitHub, which is no underscore. Because they don't allow underscores apparently. It's either dashes or, yeah. Yeah, of course. It just got changed today, so, and I haven't, so it literally got changed and then I had to go pick up baby bunny. So I haven't really had a chance to update everything. So I'm working on it. I'm working on it. And then also I'm going to rebrand Discord and it'll now be I thought it shouldn't be, it shouldn't can you hear me? It sounds like you can hear me. I haven't, I thought I had it so that you could I thought it was that it auto. Okay, I'll have to figure that out later because I'm using Restream, so it might have changed some settings, but I can't change those settings online. While I'm streaming, but I know that I have it so that, well, I thought that there was a setting for it before where it would automatically drop down if needed. Sounds good, Hema. Sorry about that. Have a good rest of your day. I appreciate it. Or night. Have a good night if you are in the States. I appreciate it so much. Okay. Okay. So if mine equals... Okay, you know what? It's fine. I will figure that out later. Turn a list. Oops. Okay. Hi, bedtime. How are you? Are you going to be changing your name? Okay. So mine equals random.range of this should be wow. Board. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. This self.board size. Board size 1. In Java. Thanks, Yoshi. Thanks for stopping by and for the follow. Good luck on your journey and hopefully see you in one of my streams soon. I know. Who is this? Who is this? This is a mom who is trying to rush through this really quickly to get my... Wait, why did my update... Oh, never mind. It did. Okay. Before baby starts crying again. Mine. Okay. If mine in set... Or, sorry. If mine in self dot set mines not in, we're going to self dot set mines dot add mine. Okay, and then we're also going to do placed plus equals 1. And then we're going to do self dot placed mines equals true. Okay, and then I need to figure out my get move. I don't think I like how I approached this. I just copied and pasted from my old one because I was just like, I don't want to think about it. But now that I'm looking at it, I don't really like how it's inputted. I have to figure out how to change it so that it's actually hi to woke. Okay, so itself dot paste mine. Okay, so get move self dot place. Or wait, sorry. Self dot place mines. Hey. 3, 4. Okay, random has no in. Okay, I'm gonna go look. How did I do this with the check move? Place mines. Random choice. 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 Okay. Choice. Range. Fine. Actually, we're going to just add one here. Because if we have random choice 0, we still have to add 1. If I add 1 into the self board size first, it can still pull 0. Wow, we don't want to pull 0. I could also use random range. Yeah, I could. What are place mines, mines, and set mines? So set mine is the set. It's basically all of my, which I guess should be set or mines set. So this should be mines set because this, oh my god. It's the set of the mines that are placed. So placed mines is the Boolean as to if mines have been placed. Yes. And the mines is wait, mine? Where's mine? Or hold on. Mines. Mines is the number of mines. Set mines is the Oh, yeah. So mines up here is the number of mines that will be on the board. Yes. So mines eventually will be able to be customized. So if mines is, or if they select a custom board and they want to put 20 mines, that would be what would be the variable that keeps track of how many mines. Or like that will be the variable that's assigned when it becomes customizable. Mines is the number of mines. Set mines is the set of. But yes. And then place mines is the flag as to if the mines have been placed or not. Yes, please. I try. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, random range. Wait. Hold on, random. Wait. Oh, it's because I didn't save. Int. If not. Trace back. 69. $55. Okay, so mine. Okay, so hold on. Does it work like this? Because wouldn't that... Okay, so then I would have to check the length of the set every single time, as opposed to just keeping track of how many are placed within the... Hi, Iced Tea. I am making Minesweeper. So, originally I was thinking checking the length of the set cardinality should be a constant time lookup. Okay, so I don't need to worry about it slowing my program down too much. Length? What? Okay. Hold on, guys. Random choice. Oh my gosh, I'm not saving it. Keep forgetting. Has no length. Oh my gosh. Range. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. +1. So this should work. +1. Really fast. Okay. Okay, so while self.mine or length of self.mines set there we go. Okay. And mines set. There we go. Okay. So we got that, and then now we need to get going because baby, I'm so scared baby's gonna wake up. Yes, Turing, I will have more time probably in 2 or 3 weeks. Right now, my schedule is all over the place trying to get baby schedule. So I need to clean my office. My office is such a mess and it's giving me anxiety. Like, things got thrown in there when we cleaned the downstairs because we like reorganized baby's playroom, and the baby's playroom expanded into our dining area, and then so we had to move stuff, and then we've cleaned out our garage too, so a bunch of things have gotten thrown into my office. So my office is a huge mess right now and it's really stressing me out, but I have just been trying to study and ignore it, but that needs to be done while baby is at school, since yeah, But yes, lots and lots of things that we need to go over, Turing. Lots and lots of things. But mines are placed. And then I want to actually fix this, but I'm not gonna do that tonight. As we saw, baby was awake. So uh yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking right now, guys. But mines are placed. So we have, yeah, so there's no 0 coordinate, thankfully. No 0 coordinate, and then I just have to double check. I guess I could clean it up right now. Oh my god. Okay, so no, I don't even know how I'm going to approach this right now. I'm going to just end stream. Like I said, it's short stream, but check, is baby still awake? I can't tell. I'm pretty sure that's her finger tapping. I see movement, but her head's not moving. But I see like this under the blanket. So I don't know if she's like squishing her bunny or if she's tapping or it's just something that she's doing while asleep. Okay, but oh my god. This is taking a lot longer than I planned it to. Okay, so we'll see if we can't get her to sleep earlier because she didn't go to sleep until 9:30 tonight. That was fun. That was so much fun, guys. An hour of trying to get her to sleep, and then she woke up 40 minutes later. So I know, but she slept. She had a late nap. She had a late nap. So like she didn't sleep until 2. No, she didn't. Yeah, she didn't sleep until 2. And then I don't know what that means. She didn't sleep until 2, and then she didn't want to wake up. So like she ended up taking a longer nap because I couldn't get her up. But she actually napped today, guys. So we didn't do quiet time. So that's also another reason why I'm kind of like, I'm okay when she doesn't nap, even though it means that I don't get any time to myself. But like, when she doesn't nap, she actually goes to sleep at a reasonable hour. But then when she naps, she sometimes doesn't go to sleep until like 10:30, 11. Because yeah, she doesn't, she's a very low sleep needs baby. Like very, very low sleep needs. But yeah, okay. I am going to just end stream tonight, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We got this, at least. We got the mines placed. Although looking at Turing, it says how to do random shuffles quickly. So obviously there's a more efficient way. I don't even remember what I just said that warranted that response, except for the random shuffles quickly. But yeah, like, oh, Oh, okay. You were talking about my code, and I was just like, I don't know. I don't know what that was regarding. Yeah, it's really rough. And then she wakes so much during the night right now. Like the past, so there was a while she was sleeping through the night, at least, well, for the most part through the night. Like she would wake up once or twice, but like recently this past week, she will be looking for me, and like not just like touching and patting, and when she finds me, it's okay. Like she will get up and look around, and it's dark in her room, right? And then like have to climb onto me, but then like she's wiggly, and so I don't sleep, but then she can't get good sleep, like she overheats, so then she's like on me, and then she wants to be off of me, but then like 30 minutes later she's like, wait, where's mom? And she tries to find me again, and it's just like, so she's been getting rotten sleep at night too. And yeah, so as you guys can tell, the past like week, I've been pretty frazzled. Um, yeah, this is kind of why. So hopefully, once we get Baby Bunny's schedule situated so that it's more consistent, because the last. No worries, no worries. Because the last month of summer has been rough. Beginning of summer, I was able to keep her schedule relatively consistent. But this last month of summer was rough. And I think that was affecting her. And she's, yeah. Okay. But, anyways, guys, we at least got the mines placed. Next week, or next time, we'll go over how to check the spaces and stuff. I was suggested to use a deck, but I think that will actually take a couple of streams to figure out. But yeah, okay. I appreciate you all, guys. You're all amazing. Thanks for sticking with me, even though they've been slightly chaotic streams and not very productive. Hopefully I can get more productive during the day again when Baby Bunny is out having fun without me. But yeah, I appreciate you all. Have a good night. Bye, guys.